3 miles. We're at half a mile. We did 1 mile. A little break. Our heart rate was about to be at 200. What a privilege it is to run, to move my body. Am I a runner now? I'm at 2 miles. Let's see how much I can do. I'm starting to feel the tiredness, but we're pushing. We're at 2.2 miles. I'm just gonna walk out a little bit. I am gonna push for 3. We're on our last draw. Almost 3 miles. I am feeling it. Are we pushing? We did it. We did 3 miles. I am sweating bullets, but I'm about to grab my book, my journal, and sit by the water because I'm proud of today. I'm proud.